Welcome back to Tech Vibes. The only free apps you actually need are right here. There are only 2 applications that you need to get everything you are looking for. I am talking about brand new movies and your favorite TV shows. You can also get sports and live TV. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly what apps I am talking about. I will show you how to get them and where to find them. We are not going to overload your Fire Stick or your Android box. We are going to give you 2 apps that give you everything. If you are ready to learn, then sit back and grab your remotes. Let's begin. You are now ready to grab 2 applications that provide everything. This includes new movies and TV shows and sports. Let's jump right into the process. Move over to the magnifying glass icon. The first application we are looking for is called Downloader. I will put the name on the screen so you can follow along. I have only typed the first letter and it appears fully spelled out. I will highlight it and click on it. Make sure you select the orange application icon. Click the center button one more time. The Downloader app is now downloading and installing. When it is finished, it might try to open automatically. We need to go to our settings first, so click the home button. Go over to the 3 dashes and scroll down to settings. Now, go ahead and open that up. Find the section for My Fire TV. If you have an older device, it might say My Device. Let's go ahead and open that section up. You will see a screen that looks like this. I have an option that says Developer Options. If you do not see it, yet do not worry. It is very easy to get. Highlight the About section and click on it. Make sure your device name is highlighted. Click the center button on your remote several times quickly. A message will appear saying you are already a developer. Now we can hit the back button on the remote. Go down and open Developer Options. Find the setting for ADB debugging. It is currently off, but we need to turn it on. Click the center button to enable it. Now go down and open Install Unknown Apps. Highlight the Downloader application we just installed. It is off, but we need to turn it on. Click the center button to enable it. Now that Downloader is ready, click the Home button. Go to your full list of applications. Look for Downloader in the middle of the list. Usually new apps go to the very end, but Downloader is different. Let's open Downloader. You will see a small red circle on the screen. This is your cursor and you can move it with your remote. Move the cursor to the search box until it is highlighted yellow. Click the center button to bring up the keypad. Downloader works like a web browser. We are looking for one specific address today. I will put it on the screen for you. I have highlighted the next button. You can pause the video if you need more time to type it accurately. When you are ready, click Next. This will bring you to a new page. Press the down button on your remote to see the cursor. Move down slowly until you find the box that says Download APK Android. Make sure the red circle is inside that box and click it. Now simply click on Install. It will give you the option to open the app called Unlinked. We need to click Done first. It will show an unnecessary file that we do not need to keep. Click Delete and then click Delete again. Now we need to go back to the settings. Click the Home button and go to the 3 dashes. Open your settings and find My Fire TV again. Open Developer Options and go to Install Unknown Apps. As you can see, Downloader is already on. Now find Unlinked and click the center button to turn it on. Now that Unlinked is enabled, click the Home button. Go to your list of apps and find Unlinked at the very end. Go ahead and open the Unlinked application now. It will ask you to add a new library. Click the center button to bring up the keypad. It is asking for a specific code to enter the store. I am bringing you to a personal app store with over 50 applications. These apps offer movies and TV shows and sports. Maintaining these apps and keeping them updated is a big task. Before I give the code, please make sure to support Tech Vibes. I will put the code on the screen now. I have highlighted the next button for you. Pause the video if you need to check the spelling. Click Next when you are ready. A message will appear about using a VPN for third-party apps. It is important to read and understand this. Click the center button when you are finished reading. Click on the arrow and then click on the file. Welcome to the library where you can find many applications. The apps are listed alphabetically and categorized. I have created a specific section for this example. The first app highlighted is the IPVanish VPN. This is the most important app to install today. It helps you stay safe and anonymous while using these services. It also helps if your internet provider is restricting your speeds. Click the center button on IPVanish, click Download, and then click Install App. Confirm the installation by clicking Install again. Now we are back in the store. Look for an app called Noro Fire. This is a unique app that contains 2 others within it. It includes Sports Fire and Stream Fire. Sports Fire is great for watching live events and games. Stream Fire is perfect if you enjoy live TV channels. Click the center button on Noro Fire, click Download, and then click Install App. Confirm by clicking Install one more time. Now look for the app called Streamflix. This app offers hundreds of new movies and TV shows. It has a massive library of content from the last few decades. Click the center button on Streamflix, click Download, and then click Install App. Click Install to finish the process. You are now in the store and can browse other apps that fit your interests. With just these two applications, you have everything you need. Neurofire gives you sports and live TV. Streamflix gives you movies and shows. I need to show you one important setting change for Neurofire. Neurofire and Streamflix might be in different categories when you check. Look in the live TV or movie sections if they moved. Now click the Home button. We need to change one more setting. Go to the three dashes and open Settings. Find My Fire TV and open Developer Options. Open Install Unknown Apps. Find Neurofire in the list. You must enable this app so it can install the sports and stream components. Click the center button to turn it on. Now click the Home button and go to your app list. Scroll to the end to find your new apps. I have a trick so you do not have to scroll every time. Highlight Unlinked and hold down the center button. Select Move to Front. Do the same for IP Vanish. Hold the button and move to front. Repeat this for Neurofire and Streamflix. Now these apps are at the beginning of your list. They will be right there every time you turn on your device. I know you want to start watching right now. I never open these apps without turning on the VPN first. Open IP Vanish and click the center button. You will see options to sign up or log in. If you need an account, you can use the link provided in the comments. Using a VPN fixes most buffering issues caused by internet providers. Once you have your details, please log in. Now you are ready to connect. Highlight the green Connect box and click it. If a pop-up appears, just click OK. Your country will be highlighted in green once you are connected. This means you are safe and secure. You can use the gear icon to change any settings if you want. The VPN will stay connected until you turn it off. Click the Home button. The VPN is still running in the background. Your apps are front and center and ready to go. You have the best apps on your device now. If this video helped you, please drop a like for Tech Vibes. It really helps the channel grow. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I try to respond to everyone as soon as possible. Make sure to subscribe so you do not miss the next guide. Please share this video with anyone who uses a streaming device. I will see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, comment. The VPN will stay connected until you turn it off. Click the Home button. The VPN is still running in the background. Your apps are front and center and ready to go. You have the best apps on your device now. If this video helped you, please drop a like for Tech Vibes. It really helps the channel grow. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I try to respond to everyone as soon as possible. Make sure to subscribe so you do not miss the next guide. Please share this video with anyone who uses a streaming device. I will see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, comment.